Assalamu alaikum. Hello, boys. Welcome to you in science class. Today we have topic looking at flowers in details.
السلام عليكم أستاذ. أنا فيصل
Alaikum
فادي.
salam. Hello, Faisal. How are you?
تمام. تمام بالتصالح دخلت.
Okay, Battal. How are you? Open your books, page 74.
السلام عليكم أستاذ. أنا رياض.
Alaikum salam, Riyaz.
هاي مستر.
Hello. Okay, on page 74, you have a very easy one. You will write the names for these parts of a plant. Learn that plants produce flowers which have male and female parts, and that seeds are formed when pollen from male part fertilizes in the ovum of female. Yes?
بس كم مستر؟
74. Flowers have male and female parts. A plant needs these different parts to produce seed. So what are the parts? This is number one. What is this part? Yes.
فلاور.
Flower. 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 This is flower. This is leaf. Then you have here what is this part? What do we call
Stem.
this part? Stem. Yes, Salam. Stem. And the last one?
روت.
Asaf Zainas.
روت. أستاذ أنا عساف.
Roots.
روت.
Yes, very good. So there are main four parts which we wrote here. Then we have label the parts of, okay, we did it. Then why is each part of the plant important? Let's look at the flower in more details. In a flower, these are male and female parts. The stamen is a male part of the flower and is made of the filament. Yes, okay, just wait. Knife, okay. The filament and an anther. The filament holds the anther in place, and the anther is where the pollen is produced. So basically, the stamen is male part. This is an important point. Then the carpel. Carpel is female part of the flower and made in up of the stigma. The style and ovary, the stigma is very sticky and helps to to catch the pollen. The style holds the stigma in place of an ovary where the seeds are made.
مستر أنا موافي.
Hello, Wafi. So basically, the stamen is the male part of the flower and made up of filament, and the anther, the carpel, is the female part of the flower and made up of stigma. Okay. Here you will write the parts. Number one is flower, number two stem, number three leaf, number four roots. Okay. Roots take in water and minerals from the soil. They pick it from soil and give this to the stem, and then stem takes the water and minerals from roots and give to other parts of the flower like leaves or flowers. Okay. So all parts are important, all the parts. Flower, when we get flower, we get seeds from the flower again. So this is how the process goes on. Next page, we have page 75. Here we will write the parts of flowers. Okay, the parts of a flower. Now, number one, we have stamen. As we know, stamen, here we wrote about stamen is the male part of the flower. So in stamen we find A and B, which is number 2 and 3. A is for anther. You will write here anther. Complete this. This is number 2. Number 2 is anther. Then number 3 is filament. Number 3. These two parts are the subparts of stamen, male part. Okay. Then number 4 we have stem. As we know, number 4. This part is stem. Then number 5, which starts with S, which is stigma, and it's a part of the flower. Stigma, number 5. Then we have number 6, starts with S again. Number 6, which is style. Number 6. Then we have number 7, which starts with O, ovary. Number 7. And the last one, number 8, which starts with C, carpel. So we have 8 blanks to fill up.
Mr. I didn't finish.
Okay, take your time, but Battal. Malik, sautak maafi kois. Your voice is not good. Okay, now down we will write the male parts here. Male parts. Anther. Anther is male part, and filament. Filament is also there for as male. So write filament and anther in male. You will draw here. Then female, we have style, we have stigma, and
Hello, Mr. Zaid.
hello, we have style, and last one we have ovary. Then you will draw here the pictures. Okay, let me draw it for you. You will make this, and then okay, we can make it with the line. You have one line here. Sorry. One line you have here. Then you have to draw like this. This is anther. This is filament. Okay. Anther is here and filament is here. Then stigma and Alaikum Salam Battal Badr. Here you will make ovary, which is like this. Okay. Stigma, here is stigma. Then style, here is style. And the last one, ovary, here is the ovary. Okay, these are 2 parts of male and 3 parts of female. Then we have complete the paragraph using the words in the word bank. Here is word bank. One has been done for you. Okay. Flowers have male and which one? Yes, male and female.
Female.
Yes, female. It's number one. Female. Male and female. It's number one. Female. Then number two, female parts.
Stamen.
The male part is called the dash. The male part is
Stamen.
called stamen.
Mister,
Number two. Yes.
you will send it to Google Drive.
Yeah, I will. Of course. Number three is carpel, which has the anther and filament. The female part is called carpel, which has the stigma, style, and ovary.
Style
Number
and
four is style. Here you can see female parts and here male parts, which is very important to memorize. You should know that which parts are male and what they have, which parts are female and what they have. Okay. Write it quickly. Hello, Abdullah Fahad. Yes, Fahad.
قل انا كل
ايش بتال؟
Mister.
Yes, Faisal.
السلام عليكم أستاذ.
عليكم السلام.
هنا ها تعال المجلس.
السلام عليكم مستر يا محمد الهادي.
عليكم السلام Muhammad Al Hadi. But I will write your names now. Abdullah Fahad is there. Abdul Aziz, you are there? Abdul Aziz Masad. Abdullah Ali Al Qadri, are you there? Abdullah Faisal is there. Abdullah Faisal Al Bugami, are you there? Abdullah Umar.
أستاذ في حد غريب دخل.
Asaf, Basil, Battal Saleh, Fahad Hamid, Faisal. Okay. Then Faris, Jassar, Malik. Michelle, are you there? Michelle Umair. موجود؟
أستاذ في واحد اسمه رانا.
اوكي خلاص ما في مشكلة.
يا مستر.
مصطفى are you there؟ ايوه فيصل حبيبي.
عطنا كيك اطرد
Yes,
ولا
Mr. I'm there.
اوكي مصطفى. Thank you.
Mr.
75 يا حبيبي. كلام واحد. ايوه
Mr.
I know you are there. Okay.
دراوين سيمن.
Okay Basil I know you are there. ايوه فيصل الحين كلام يا حبيبي. Now you can talk.
صالح موجود.
مستر.
ايوه.
مستر وافي موجود. drawing of semen.
Yes. Stamen.
Yes.
ها ايش؟
يعني كيف رسمه؟
هذا stamen يا حبيبي male part هذا كامل. Drawing of stamen. شوف انا ارسم.
ايوه استاذ.
ايوه. And this is the drawing of carpel.
يعني استاذ هذا ارسمه في الكتاب نفس ذا الشيء؟
Yes, of course. You should draw it. Sultan, are you there? Yahya. Sultan wa Yahya. Aywa Yahya موجود. Okay. Abdullah Faisal is also there. Sultan,
What?
are you there?
Yes, mister.
Okay, no problem. Abdul Aziz Masaid, then Abdullah Ali Al Qadri, Abdullah Umar, and Michelle Omer. هذا غايبين بس. سلطان.
الساعة خلص قاعد يطلع.
الساعة انتظار يا حبيبي.
انتظر.
ايوه انتظر، لا تفتح مايك. Okay, this is finished. Then we have page
احنا
number
كنا 23 قبل
76.
16.
77. Page 77. We can think of pollen as going on a journey. Complete the stages of the pollen journey using the words in word bank below. This is the word bank. One has been done for you, which is tube. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to finish these fill in the blanks. Pollen starts its journey in the anther. We will write here anther, A-N-T-H-E-R, anther. Okay, anther. Then
Hi
we
sir,
have,
sorry because I'm
it
late.
is
Where's the
moved.
internet?
No problem. You can watch the video again. And now you will start from page 77.
I was watching it until you skipped the page of the flower. And
Okay, no problem.
you
Pollen
clo-
starts its journey
close it,
in the
maybe.
anther. It is moved to the sticky stigma. Stigma is sticky by different methods. It is called pollination. It is called pollination. The pollen sends a pollen tube down the style. And the pollen tube allows pollen to move down it. Once the pollen reaches the end of the pollen tube, it enters the ovary. When the ovum and pollen join together, fertilization, Fertilization, fertilization happens and a seed is made. So it's mean anther is number 1, stigma number 2, then pollination number 3, then tube number 4, which is done, style number 5, then we have ovary number 6, then fertilization number 7, and seed number 8. Is it good? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, it's done. Have you finished or not?
Yes. Yes, Mr. Finish.
Very good. Okay. Okay, take your time. You can write numbers and then you can write them after that, no problem. Abdul Aziz Musaid, Abdullah Ali Al Qadri, Abdullah Umar, Sultan, and Michelle Ghaibin. Okay, next we have, if you didn't finish, you can watch the video again. I will send you. Okay, I will send you the link. Next page, which is page number 79. Page 79. Number 1. What is number 1? On page 79. Seed dispersal. Yes, seed dispersal. Number 1, you will write here. Number 1, seed dispersal. This is number 1. Then number 2, this one, number 2, which is germination. Number 2 is germination, which occurs after the seed produces. Then germination. Then number 3, which was seedling, right? Seedling, but the name of this in is there in seed production, this is called pollination. Number 3, pollination. Number 3, you will write here, when you get the flower and it's going with the insects, that is called pollination. Then number 4, we have fertilization. Number 4, fertilization, which occurs in a flower when the pollen moves. Then the last one, number 5, which is seed production, which is written. Seed, you get seed from fruits or the flowers. So number 1 is seed dispersal. Let me make it smaller, and I should change the color. Seed dispersal. Seed dispersal. Number 2, we have germination. Germination. Number 3, here you will get, after these processes, you will get pollination. Very good. Pollination. And the last one, fertilization. Fertilization. Okay. You have any question, you can ask now.
Me, Mister.
Yes, Battal.
Can I leave?
No, you can't leave. I will tell you the homework. Page number 80 is your homework. You will find these words here, okay, in this.
I love it, Mister.
Okay, I know, it's good for you.
Me too.
Okay, you will find this in critical thinking. The icon.
Goodbye.
Okay, if you finished, you can leave. I will send you
Goodbye,
home.
Mr.
I am going. I am finished. I am finished.
Mister, I am finished.
Okay, I will send you homework now and you will do it. Don't waste your time. I am sending you the homework link in your Google Drive, in your WhatsApp, okay? This one is your homework. Get it? I send it in your WhatsApp.
Mister,
Yeah.
I don't have a pen and I didn't write anything, but I will see the video and write it.
Okay, no problem. You still don't have pen?
I don't have still.
Okay, no problem. Buy a pen.
Oh, not a pen.
Mister, I can leave. I finish.
Yes, Battal, you can leave if you have finished. Thank you, boys. So this was for today. If you have any question or any queries, you can ask. Now you have
Mister.
5 minutes or 10 minutes in the period in the class, so you can finish your homework and send it to me within 5 minutes. Okay?
Finish.
Goodbye.
Good
Your homework page, which is page 80, Tamanin. Goodbye.
Okay.
Thanks for joining. Goodbye. See you next time. Goodbye.